the Great American Detour because we're going straight up into Uranus. That's right. The Fudge Factory is going to be visited by a bunch of drag and drive racers right here in the middle of Missouri on Route 66. So I'm following Daniel and Nathan right into Uranus. Liner there. This is a really neat place. If you guys are on Highway 44 or is making your trip along 66 this year, you need to make a stop here. This is my first time here, but I pass it every time I'm headed east. Oh, you did it, didn't you? You broke the law. Oh my. That's a huge rooster you have in Uranus. Dude, you crazy. Yeah, I was like, you're crazy. Yeah.
Knock it up.
Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Well, yes, that's fine. They're together. It's the Great American Detour now.
Get more American than fucking bald eagles and BTR. That works.
All day. We are inside the Route 66 car museum here. You guys got to make your way here in Springfield if you have not. This is a good one. Definitely a good one. Good place to support. And they have a Batmobile. And these guys had the Great Race come through just a couple days ago, actually. So some of the cars that are stored here for the Great Race. What is this thing? '70 Skylark. Oh yeah. Get your Magnum PI on here. Not a lot of people know this, but this is my dream car. If I was ever gonna buy a car that I didn't modify at all, it would be a 67 to 73 Jaguar XK V12. Mine would be red with camel wire wheels. But that one's a good one. That's just an amazing looking car to me. But everything else I would have, everything gets modified. Except probably that car right there. Now that looks like a blast to drive. Look how small that thing is. Survivor Model A there. Oh my gosh. Hey, you know what? I want a yellow Camaro with a big block in it. Yeah.
Turner from Michigan. I took Route 66 all the way to Santa Monica Pier. I'm on my way back home now. Took me about 2.5 weeks so far right now.
2.5 weeks? Dude,
Yep.
that's awesome. Living on the motorcycle?
Pretty much, yep.
Man,
Got a
that...
tent, stopping mostly free camping. So yeah, it's been pretty awesome.
That's awesome, man. Good luck on the way home.
Thanks, you too.
Oh man, we're getting a behind the scenes view of the tunnel at the boot court.
1946, the guests would park underneath the rooms.
Oh.
But a previous owner turned this into our laundry area, which we are appreciative because that's where we can get our work done.
Oh goodness, that is just a
And,
tunnel.
yeah, we don't go in. It's creepy. And haunted.
It's haunted.
Some of my best friends are ghosts.
Are we going all the way down? Keep it going. Okay, gotcha. Holy crap.
This is a hidden tunnel under the motel.
Oh. Oh. My legs don't bend like this anymore. Ugh. Oh man. Different states right now. He's in Kansas and I'm in Missouri. Put everyone in there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Did you want a bag for these?
Yeah.
Shout out to our friend Aaron Perry at Gearhead Curios for hosting everybody today. Picked up our trinkets here, or they picked up their trinkets. I'm headed home after this, but it's gonna be tough leaving. I'll tell you, I've had a good time the last few days. Well, last fuel stop with everybody. I'm kind of sad, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is gonna be really weird. It's gonna be really weird to not be on a drag and drive and hang out with these dudes and all that kind of cool stuff. They picked up a swap out, so instead of me riding with them now, Dylan Benjamin's gonna take over, but I do have me a co-pilot. What up, co-op? It's gonna be awesome. Turned down our little side road and they're in front of me. How cool is that? All right, guys, we'll see you next time. But you know, the one thing that was cool was getting to see all of our race car friends. That was all like, dude, there were so many people there that just follow us. I mean, I got to meet a ton of new people that I'd never met before, and they come up, and it's so cool to hear, hey, man, I've been watching your stuff, or dude, the whole drive here, we listened to your podcast stuff. That was really neat. So I appreciate everybody doing all of that and coming up and making those comments. So appreciate you guys for all of that. And then of course, you know, these kind of trips wouldn't be possible without our sponsors. I mean, these guys, they work hard for us. We try and work hard for them and talk about us. If you're going to do some shopping, we'd appreciate if you'd hit up like Summit Racing, who's the title sponsor of the show and the news that happens on Saturday mornings. And then of course the circuit, which happened just a few weeks ago. Beachworks, of course, the official fuel delivery of Drag Driver Pete. You know, they brought 2 cars to the circuit and sponsored the Racer Party and have sponsored our Feed the Racers program, which is how we do lunches and snacks at our single day events. So appreciate them for that. Molly Motorsports, of course, best pistons in the game. You have pistons you're putting pistons in the car rebuild. Yep. And then of course Adam drove all the way out from North Carolina to come out and see us at the circuit. Appreciate them. And then Driven Racing Oil, who is everywhere, bro. Have you seen their like tractor pulls, and they're doing, I think 80% of the Dragon drives this year they're going to be on. It's absolutely crazy. J-Wire Solutions, of course, Jay and Brian came down, you know, I mean, just kicking ass. We're going to talk about a new project car at J-Wire that is going to be a great debut this weekend. Howard's Cams, of course, Luke B and the boys over there, valve train specialist. That's all I'm going to say. If you need your valves to open, Luke is your man, right? AFCO Racing Products, of course, not just suspension pieces. They do cooling. They do radiators and stuff like that. Performer built transmissions, best GM transmission builders on the planet. I mean, they put a Camaro in the 7s with a 4L60. Like, dude, let's be honest. That's pretty awesome. Car Change 3D, Corey and the boys up there at the 3D Printing Masters. I mean, there's so much stuff that they've got for all the cars. Saturday morning, we're going to talk about a new S10 dash piece they have that they've made that comes out just badass. And of course, Low Dollar Motorsports, all the, you know, the daily burnouts, of course, sponsored by them, but then also all of the cool stuff that comes with all of these race cars. Man, there were so many low dollar stickers on cars at Back to the Streets last week. It was pretty freaking cool. And